going to count how many days we have been in school. Every time we have a school day, we're going to move a circle into our 10 frame. Can you guess why I call this a 10 frame? You're right, it has 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to fill up the top 10 frame first. I'm going to put 5 across the top and 5 across the bottom. When you have it all filled up, you may move the purple rectangle to find out what's underneath. After we filled up the top 10 frame, we're going to fill up the bottom. Remember, you can only put one circle for every day we come to school. I can't wait to find out how many days we're going to come to school in September. We're also going to count all of the days that we're going to be at school. Every day we're going to move one yellow circle onto a number. Remember, just one a day, and we're going to find out how long it takes us to get to 100 days of school. Do you think we'll get to 100 days in December or January or September? We're going to find out how long it's going to take us to get to 100 days. Remember, every school day gets one circle.